Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a wholemeal bloomer. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your wholemeal flour and the salt, giving them both just a good mix until they are fully combined. You can then go ahead and add in the remaining ingredients, starting with the yeast, followed by the white shortening or vegetable fat, the granulated sugar, then the water, and you'll want to mix this on a low speed to start with for around 2 minutes, followed by a further 6 minutes on a medium-high speed. The dough should come together and form very well. It might be a little bit sticky, but don't worry, this will alleviate in the next stage. So once you've got your dough mixed, you can then flour your surface with some wholemeal flour, place it onto it and just knead it until it's smooth and elasticated. You will then want to bring the dough back into a ball shape and place into a bowl, which you can then cover with cling film and allow to prove for around 45 minutes or to an hour, or until the dough has doubled in size. Once you've achieved that, you can flour your work surface again and then place your dough onto it and knock it back. This is just a process of removing the gases that are built up in the dough during the first proof. And once you've done that, you can then bring the dough back into another ball shape and roll it into more of an oblong shape. You can then place onto your lined baking tray, which you prepared earlier on, and loosely cover with cling film and leave for around 45 minutes to an hour until the dough has pretty much doubled in size. Once you've achieved that, you can take the cling film off of the dough. Just before it goes into the oven, you'll want to score the dough, so take a small serrated knife and just make some cuts across the dough. You normally do about 7, but feel free to do 6 or however many. Bake it off. All of that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below. And here's what the bread will look like once it's fully baked and cooled. You can then cut into it and enjoy it however you like. You can toast it or you can have it plain, whichever way works best for you. Here is what the inside of the bread looks like once it's fully baked and cooled. You can see it's got a good crumb texture and it's really squishy and really fresh, and that's perfect as you've just made it, obviously. But I hope you get to give this a try, as it's a really quick and easy bread and perfect to make on a late afternoon, and especially now seeing that we're in lockdown again during November. So why don't you give it a try during lockdown, and you can say you've learned something new. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another video, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the links in the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social media. So if you're interested, don't forget to go and follow me over on those. I am trying to keep updated with them, but hey, I'm working on it. That's all for today. Bye guys.